Up for sale is this 2002 Chevy 3500 dump truck. This truck has 22,000 miles. Yes, you heard that correct. It's 22,000 miles. It is not by any means a show truck, but it is in pretty good shape. Runs and drives great. Rust is starting on the bumpers there, as well as some in the fender there. But overall, pretty clean truck. Somebody put on new cab corners and rockers. Bed really hasn't been used too much. Still has most of the original paint and stuff like that on it. Just got some dirt in there because we did use this truck for a year and a half. Does come with a plow, an old Western Unimount plow, along with a tailgate, aluminum tailgate salt spreader, which is ran via a hydraulic pump, ran off the serpentine belt. There's the connections for it. Do tailgate, goes both ways. Pull these pins out on the top and it'll fold down, or you run the handle up there, which works the latch, flops up. Does have the chains as well, go into the pockets there. Frame is all good on it. There's your hydraulic reservoir. Here's your tires. Tires are in great shape as well. Your hydraulic reservoir for your hydraulics on off the both the dump bed and the tailgate spreader. But like I said, somebody did take and put on cab corners. They just took and riveted cab corners and rockers on. This side, the fender is clean as whistle. Interior is in good shape. Nothing fancy. This is your system for your salt spreader in the back. This is for your up and down on the dump bed. Plow controller is mounted right there. That's to kick your pump on via the serpentine belt in the front. This does, however, have heated mirrors in the front, which I will show. There's your wires for your plow. But as you can see, these mirrors, they have wires running to them. West Coast style mirrors. Once again, like I said, they are heated via that switch right there. Like I said, has 20,000 miles on it, 21,308. ABS light comes on, goes off every once in a while. Just a good old dump truck, no frills, all stock. Nothing's been done to the motor or anything like that besides regular maintenance. There's your pump for the back. You can see it's got the big lines on it. It does have new batteries in it as well. Fluids have all been kept up on it. Like I said, tires are in good shape. Pretty much brand new. Strobe light up on the top as well. Cab lights. Same with this side. Somebody took and did the rockers and cab corners. I'd put the dump bed up, but I'll put it up a little bit here. Basically just push down on that, raises and lowers it. As you can see, don't want to get too crazy with all the plow stuff in there, but all that's in good shape. It's not all rotted out or anything like that. This frame on this side, it's all in good shape. It does also have dual tanks, one there, no spare tire. The rear tank takes up where the spare tire goes. So if you're interested, give us a call, 330-967-0272, or visit our website at canfieldequipment.net.